Shooting an MV on an iPhone? It's not a joke. With our MagDisk, you can shoot ProRes log videos without worrying about the storage limit. MagDisk includes a hot shoe and a quarter tripod mount. It also works with your MagSafe 2.0 for all day long shooting. You can even snap your MagSafe light on it. After 3 months of development, finally, we've made the best for you. Clip and lock in a second. With the smart design of the quarter tripod mount, you can make stunning video with your professional gimbal. Thanks to the USB 3.1 Gen 2 with 10 GB high-speed transfer, you can edit your videos directly on the MagSafe without downloading.
You on my mind a lot, don't need no time watch. I don't know how I got you in my pocket spot. Yeah, that's babe, need you every day. You like my oxygen, make it seem like the barging down. Got my heart no barging in, from the bed to the floor to the couch. Might wake the neighbors up, break you in then break you out. In the end we gon' make a child, then we gon' hit the show. Part 2 we don't need no pause. Here with Misty, we gon' get tipsy, don't need a power shot.
Copy my steel, face the fact that ain't no cap, I'm real. Ain't no cap, I'm real. The plastic bars from a copy my steel. Copy my steel, face the fact that ain't no cap, I'm real. Ain't no cap, I'm real.